Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you where you can easily find this device JVC XS speaker user manual. So first you have to enter your favorite web browser, and here you have to search for JVC XS. Let me check. E843 user manual. The B is with the Bluetooth version, of course. Here now we have to search for the website that is with our language. As you can see, we have a lot Polish here. If we can find it, we can enter, of course, the Polish one. It's because I think that here we have the multilingual user manual. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.